Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can see your WordPress username and password in cPanel. So let's get right into it. Now, I'm currently on WordPress. However, I will be pivoting over to this question on Quora simply because I do not have the needed things. So I don't have cPanel and I don't have the PHP admin to be able to set and find these credentials. So I'll just be using this answer right here by the bot, and I'll be using this second answer as well. Now, firstly, you can just, well, I hope you remember your username. If you can log into WordPress, that is your WordPress username, and you can just enter it, and that would be fine. And you can also reset your password with the email when logging in. However, if you want these methods, you can reset them via PHP admin. So you just need to log in to your cPanel account using your credentials and look for databases and find PHP admin. Then you need to go and find the database list in the top left and go to wp-config.php, which has all your information. Then you need to find the line that starts with the define, and then it has db underscore name, and then you're going to have your database name, which should be your WordPress database, and then you're going to need to find the underscore users tab or the table, and then once you're there, it's most likely going to be WP underscore users, so search for that, and once you're there, you can click on edit next to the name. Then you're going to go into your username, and you can just find the row corresponding to your admin username, and you can just edit it and change it. Or if you want to change your password, just go to user underscore pass, and you should be able to find your password. Now you can also change it by selecting MD5 and adding a new password, and that is very easy to do, and then you can write it down so that you don't forget it again, and then you just have to save changes and log into WordPress using that method. Now, the other method, as I've mentioned, is sign into WordPress. From the left side menu, go to users and all users. Under your username, select your username, and then on the profile page, scroll down to account management, select set new password, and then enter a new password. However, you will need your old password for security reasons. And after that, if that doesn't work, if you don't remember your old password, you can just reset your password with a link, which you can then get on your email and reset it that way. And then once you're done with that, just click update profile, and that should be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.